Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and welcome back to another entry of the thelaurynicole diaries. Babes, today's diary entry is one that you're not gonna want to miss. But before we get into all of that, babes, if you've been following along with the thelaurynicole diaries and you want to be caught up with how the graduation went last week, or about 2 weeks ago now, y'all, it went really well. I was gonna film, but I really just wanted to take that time to be with my boyfriend because I haven't seen him in like 2 months. Plus, I was with his family and stuff, and I didn't want to have them on camera. I just wanted it to feel very authentic and genuine. Especially being that this is the first time I met some of his friends and family. Here's a few clips from the graduation. It was just so nice to be again with his family, his friends, and to see him again. I haven't seen him in 2 months. Honestly, I'm just so happy that now, like, we're done with basic training. We are moving on to bigger and better things. And now I can actually talk to him on the phone because y'all, the letters, they was getting old. I was getting tired of writing letters, but I'll do it again for my man. Okay. Y'all stay tuned though, because we have a little vacation coming up. Summer is coming up real quick, so stay tuned for that. But getting into today's video, y'all, for the last two weeks, honestly, it's been like the last 2 months, I've been having an itch. Okay. And before y'all start trying to figure out what kind of itch it is, it's just a mental itch. Okay. I've been having an itch. I'm like, I want something different. I want something new. The thing is about me is I love piercings. I'm a piercings girly. I say that like I have multiple. Well, I do have multiple. I have 2, but I say that like I'm like decked out of piercings. I'm not. But it's easier for me to go get a piercing than it is for me to go get a tattoo. I'm somebody who, like, I will like something one day and the next day I'd be like, I don't know if the tattoo, like, that vibe really fits with today's outfit. Me getting a tattoo, like, I really have to be sold on it. But for the last week, I've been like, y'all, I want to get a belly button piercing. We booked an appointment and today we're getting it. I'm just kind of like, I'm only going to be 22 once. I think it'll be cute. It's something fun. And if I don't like it, I can take it out. You know, if I don't like it, I can take it out. Now, I'm hoping we do like it because I am paying a pretty penny for this. And I'm kind of nervous. Like, I have a high pain tolerance, but how much is this gonna hurt? I've heard some people say that it doesn't hurt that bad, but like, I also know that some people, they be lying. I really hope that this is like cute on me and it's not giving ugly. Like, if you know, you know. Like, I hope it's giving clean girl baddie and not something else. I just feel like, honestly, I may be overthinking it, but that is what we're doing today. We are gonna go get a belly button piercing. To make sure that I didn't flake out of this decision, I went ahead and booked an appointment, put down my deposit, and it's happening. It's getting done today. I also feel like I chose the wrong week to do this because, y'all, tell me why my period started last night. Why would my period start last night? Like, why would that even happen? So I don't know if that is like a red flag, if I should not be getting it done or whatever, but it's getting done because we already booked the appointment. I already put the money out and it is what it is. It is a little bit on the colder side today. It's really blowing me that it's supposed to be spring right now, and Michigan, it's like 50 degrees outside, and not like a warm 50, it's like a cold 50, like breeze, snow occasionally falling down from the sky, and this hoodie that I have on trying to be cute is not suffice. I'm gonna need the weather to, like, please start weathering soon because this is unacceptable. But because it's a little bit cold today, I did choose to put on like a little sweatsuit, and because I'm also on my period, we're going for like a little comfort cutie type of vibe. I got this brown purse on, and this is from Amazon. She's actually really cute. She's like this croc material, really cute. And then I got a brown watch on to match the purse, and then I have this really cute tan sweatsuit on, and that is today's fit. It's super cute, super chill, super casual, especially because, again, it's cold outside, I'm on my period, and I'm about to get a piercing in my belly button. Who does that? Who gets a belly button piercing while they're on their period? Thelaurynicole does that too. But anyways, y'all, it is now time to go get our belly button piercing, so let's go.
Two options to start off with. These are both in titanium. So the gold one is 45 and the silver is 35.
Where is it?
Yeah, that's the top and the bottom.
I like the gold one. I'm a gold girly.
Gold?
So,
okay,
yeah.
You can't go wrong with gold.
Could I get these too or no?
So those are actually for a jewelry change. So once it heals.
Oh.
And these two, these are like rings.
Those are pretty.
Yeah.
Kind of nervous.
Really?
Yeah. I've heard that it's like the pain isn't that bad though.
No, it's honestly not.
Okay.
For a lot of people, it's less painful than ears.
That's what I
Yeah.
heard. Okay, so I need to stop being. Okay.
It's such a quick piercing. It's like a few seconds and you're done.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right, Paige. I think I've picked it out. There's only one option, really. It's either gold or silver. So
what you get?
gold. Avi.
So you can keep your hands down here.
Yeah, keep them by here.
That's good. So just make sure you're relaxed right now, okay? Don't tense up. It'll be really quick, you'll see. Just focus on your breathing and I'll let you know when to take a deep breath in.
You want me to talk to you, Lauren?
I don't really know.
Okay.
All right.
So later on,
Take a
you
deep
wanna
breath
eat something
in,
crazy
deep breath out.
for dinner?
That's it.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. She's
Beautiful.
almost done.
You're
Hold on.
done.
The
Julie's
needle's
going in.
done. You did it.
Perfect. That's it.
That's it.
We're just closing it now and you're all set.
Did.
You're doing great.
No tears. She's a boss.
That's it. Perfect.
Ah, it looks so good.
Yep.
It looks so good.
Okay.
You feeling okay?
That should kind of hurt.
Alright, you can keep the kind on here in case it bleeds when you stand up, okay? Take your time. Take your time. You don't have to stand up.
You did it.
Like it didn't hurt, but now it's like a sting.
Yeah, it'll be a little uncomfortable for the first 2 weeks, but you'll get used to it.
You did it.
It's so
Yeah, let me
cute.
just spray it for you to cool it down. For aftercare, this is what you'll be using. Saline spray twice a day. So morning and night. You'll be spraying it just like that, okay?
Okay.
When you stand up so you can keep it on there.
Yeah, take your time. You don't have to stand up immediately.
Take a breath.
My sister came here for her birthday to get her
Yeah.
her ears pierced,
Yeah.
and she
Oh,
found
nice.
you guys. And I was like, when I came here in December, I was like, this place is so cute. I love the fact that it's like
Yeah.
women only.
It's nice to have you guys here.
Yes,
So nice
thank
meeting
you.
That looks good. It stings though. This actually hurts more than actually getting it pierced.
Really?
And I think what it is, low-key, I'm on my period too.
Yeah, I told you. I was like, you really want to go get a piercing on your period?
Okay, babe, so we are back from getting our belly button pierced. And honestly, I'm gonna rate the pain like a 2 out of 10. It didn't really hurt that bad. Like, I don't know why I was tripping so much. Like, oh my God, it's gonna hurt, it's gonna hurt. This pain, it's actually less. Like, even the girl at the, what is it? The piercing place. She said that the pain, most people say that getting your ears pierced, whoa, getting what? Getting what? Getting your ears pierced is more painful than getting belly button piercing. The only thing that hurt afterwards was just like standing up. It wasn't even like a hurt. It's more like a stinging. And then when she told me like, oh, you're going to need this for bleeding or whatever, because when you stand up, it might bleed. I didn't bleed. What happened was we went all the way to the cafe. By the way, the cafe food, it was so good. I took my sister. We went to this really cute place. Super cutesy, very girly, very demure. We both ended up getting these little like Biscoff muffins or whatever. But once we got there, and then I was like standing up to show my mom, we had FaceTime my mom to show her like how it looked. That's when it stood up. I feel like the adrenaline started to slow down in my body, and it just bled just a little bit. But yeah, I'm actually really obsessed with how it looks. I feel like it looks super cute. I'd say if you're thinking about getting the belly button piercing, just get it. Honestly, I know I've seen so many things on TikTok of people saying like, oh, when you get pregnant, you're gonna have like 2 belly button holes or whatever. And even though that may be true, I'm just at this point in my life where I'm like, babes, listen, I'm 22. By the time that I want to start having kids, I don't even know if I'm going to want the belly button piercing back in there. So until that happens though, I'm going to live my life and we're going to get that belly button piercing. That's that. Okay, so now that we got the piercing done with and we are back at home, we've already eaten, we're going to unbox some PR. I was like, why not film me opening some PR with my girlies? I do want to start off just by saying that I appreciate all of you guys' support. And truthfully, I would not be able to get any of this kind of PR without you, the person that's watching me right now. So I appreciate you, love you big time. And I'm just excited to see like what the PR is giving for the springtime. I do keep some of the PR, like if it's just new stuff that I could see myself doing content with. If I have like duplicates of something, or I just don't see myself using it in between now and the time that it's going to expire, I do donate it to women's shelters, or I do giveaways where I give it away to supporters. I either keep it for myself to do content, I give it away, it's donated, or in full transparency, I put it to the side and it is given to my family members and friends as gifts. So let's get into this PR unboxing now. First things first is this big box right here. I'm trying to like avoid bumping into my belly button because it's not that it hurts, it's just more of like a stinging and I don't want to bump into it. First things first is this box from the brand, I believe this is pronounced Vosh. Oh, this is so cute. It says feel good. It says feel good about what goes on your skin. Then they gave me this really cute card. Y'all look at the little emblem. So cute. This is like the ones that you kind of like squeeze out of the like hot glue gun. The wax, that's what it is. And then, oh, I love it when brands personalize cards for me. Which y'all may not know is that I have a box full of like all personalized cards that brands have given me. So if they put my name or if it's handwritten, it goes in the box. Especially in the world of like technology where a lot of things are typed out, somebody took the time out to handwrite this. That's so sweet. Are the scents, and I'm so excited to smell these out. Y'all let me know which scent y'all think will be like the best smelling one. I want to open this one next. This is a pretty big one and it says fragile on it. So I want to see what this has in here. So this is PR from MCO Beauty, and y'all, this is so cute. First of all, it's a drawer. So you start by opening it up like this. It plays music. That is so cool. What? Yo, now we about to start crying. This is so cool. This is so cool, man. This is so cool. Okay, so they gave me their laminate sculpt set as well as some lip treatments, which are, girl, I love a good lip treatment. I'm just gonna turn her off. It's because I want to be able to talk. And then at the bottom, they give me some like really cool products. Low-key, I feel like these are dupes. Like obviously this is the dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. And then this is the dupe for like Sol de Janeiro. Y'all, what do y'all feel like these are dupes for? Let me know in the comments. Like this is so cool. I feel like all the PR that I get is so cool because honestly, just being able to get PR from brands, like that's insane. But yeah, this gift is so sweet. Box inside of a box. Yay! What? Y'all, this is so freaking cool. That is so dope. It says, be one of the first to catch your light in real life. Do the most with our new iridescent strobe beam liquid blush made for the sunlight or the spotlight. It delivers sheer, beautiful coverage and artist-developed shades to strobe, sculpt, shape, and underpaint for a personalized payoff. Complete your glow with our beloved and re-outfitted, versatile, pearlescent strobe cream in UV light for all-day moisture and cool tone radiance. Are you ready to strobe? Dope! Honestly, banger after banger with the PR. Like, what? Not only are y'all gonna have probably some crazy giveaways, because also, y'all, tell me why I was checking out my little page earlier today. My YouTube channel, why are we almost at 10K? Why y'all love me so bad, babes? We're ready to propose. We're ready to propose. The 7-year-old in me is honestly, she's passed out on the floor. She's gone, okay? This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They sent me their smooth blur contour. Oh no, she's cute. Oh no, she's cute. Y'all, this is giving like cunt in the best way. Like, yeah. Would I be wrong to make this like a little clutch? Could y'all imagine me walking into the function with this? I like this little charm. Why is this a mirror? And I love the fact that this is a mirror because I have a little dimming brush on my keychain. And everybody is always like asking me like, is that a mini dimming brush? It is. And what about it? Ooh, y'all look how creamy that looks. Y'all see that? Look how creamy. Oh yeah, that's, yeah. Okay, this is from Redken. Y'all, guess who's in the box? Guess who's in the box? 2 hints, 2 hints. Okay, she's about yay high. She's about 5 foot. She got long, crazy blonde hair. Actually, 3 hints. Her favorite thing is espressos. Bam! Sabrina Carpenter. So what did they send me, you may be asking? They sent me their acidic bonding concentrate conditioner, shampoo, as well as their liquid, 5-minute liquid mask. Review on this for sure, because if it's, I need to know if this is gonna give me Sabrina Carpenter hair. So expect that within the next few weeks for sure. The next box is sent from IGK. They sent me the First Class After Dark Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. They also sent me a white t-shirt. They say that the First Class After Dark is white t-shirt approved. So they sent me a white t-shirt because they said, baby, let's put it to the test, okay? I love somebody that stands behind their product, as well as the shampoo. They sent me 2 of the shampoos. So you know what that means. Somebody's getting a shampoo in the giveaway. This is from About Face. Their Set Smooth Loose Powder. They sent me Finale to Brighten and Partition to Brighten. Oh, so they're both to brighten. Look at that. This is how it looks inside of the packaging. How cute. Love that. And it looks like there's a lot of powder in here. Yeah, look how cute this is. Okay, so this is from Monday. You just pull this open. So cute. So they gave me their Curl Restore hair mask. This is adorable. I hope that this is going to smell good because all of their products smell so good. They also gave me some stickers. We love some pink stickers. And what else? Ah! Stop. Y'all, they also gave me a comb. Look how cute this comb is. The next thing I received is from the brand Lano Lips. They sent me their hyaluronic lip oil. Ooh, I love me a good lip oil. So let's see. This is the box. They have the flavors or the scents or whatever, raspberry and honey. I really like these lip glosses that they send and like lip oils. They work actually really well. If you've never heard of this brand, it's time for you to hear about this brand because I love her. The next brand is from the brand Cake. I know because I can tell by their box. Yo, they sent me a little card. Look how cute this is. And then of course they sent me a little handwritten note. So it says recipe for Lauren's frizz-free curls. Oh, that's so cute. It says meet your curl bestie, the Curl Friend Gel 2 Foam, all in one styler. She does it all with hold of a gel and volume of foam. On wet or damp hair, apply 1 pump from roots to ends, rake for definition. Get curls of your dreams with this all-in-one styling superstar. XOXO Cake Beauty. And this is the product, the Curl Friend. And the scent is Fluffy Lemon Meringue Scent. They did that big one. They did that big one. Now, babes, this is from NARS. They sent me a cheek palette as some eyeshadow sticks. I love a good eyeshadow stick because I can't do eyeshadow to save my life. And eyeshadow sticks are so easy. And then they also sent me lip oil. That is so cute. Think about lip oils. I have to show you this lip oil that I recently got from L'Oreal Paris. Y'all, this is so cute. But talking about lip oils, I have to share with you guys this lip oil that I recently got. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. Look how cute this one is. That is so cute. And it kind of looks like a dupe, just style-wise, like how it looks on the outside, to the Dior. This is also like a plumping one, so it's a little plump. But this is so cute. Last but not least, we got a gift from Lancome. But they sent me some goodies. They sent me some perfume. This looks like it's some skincare, and then their mascara, y'all. Their mascara is tea. Before I leave, y'all, I want to show you guys the aftermath of unboxing PR. Like this is crazy. But babes, that's pretty much it for today. I hope that you really enjoyed today's diary entry, and I will see you babes next week for another entry of the Laura Nicole Diaries. Bye. Okay, I gotta get up. Because they're like, come on back.
For sure. Your belly button skin is thick. Like when it punched through, it was like.
No, what? Yeah, I was like, oh wow.
It was like.
Ooh.